Area Cooling Solutions presents a series of videos on commissioning instructions for iCOOL CO2 units. This episode will demonstrate how to set up the area remote control. In this video, the commissioning instructions of iCOOL CO2 units are presented on a training or test stand that does not include some elements of a real installation. Real installation must be carried out in accordance with the applicable standards, regulations, and guidelines contained in the operating manual. After preparing the unit for startup, the remote control must be configured. Each CO2 unit comes equipped with area remote monitoring in standard. For proper operation, the monitoring system must be connected to the internet via an Ethernet cable, a GSM network, or a local Wi-Fi network. Option 1. Connect to the internet via an Ethernet cable to the router's WAN port. The router is designed for this connection by default. Option 2. Insert an active SIM card into the appropriate slot on your router. When using standard cards from major operators, the automatic configuration works well. If there is no connection, configure your router to work with the appropriate internet provider. The default address of the area factory configured router is 192.168.10.1. See manual supplied with the unit. Option 3. Configure your router to work with your local Wi-Fi network. Connect to the router using a PC and an Ethernet cable. On your computer, open a browser and use 192.168.10.1 to connect to the router. Detailed instructions for the network configuration of the industrial router used in the area units are available in the Area Remote Monitoring Manual, as well as in the router's manufacturer's materials. Configuration of Area Cloud. Use the code on the monitoring converter to configure the unit connection to the Area Cloud. Scan the QR code. In case of problems, you can enter the address manually, also in the browser on your computer. Enter the data required to create your Area Cloud account, or log in to your existing account. Check connection status. Select the correct unit type and confirm to link the installation to the Area Cloud. Thank you for your attention. The next episode will show you how to start up the unit. See you there.